Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually check the IUC number of your Dstv decoder. So maybe you have to do the activation or do any registration and you need the smart card number or the IUC number. We have many places that you're going to find the IUC number. So they normally place some stickers on the decoder, at the back of the decoder, that actually have the IUC number or the smart card number. So you're gonna find something like this that have the IUC number, and if you can't find it on the decoder, you can also check on the decoder box that comes along with the decoder. And if you can't find them on any of these places, all you got to do is to pick up your remote and press on the blue logo, that's the Dstv logo, which will take you to the menu, and use the arrow left and right keys. Look for help. Okay, so when you find help, come down to the general information and you press OK on it, and then you come to the information central right here, first option. Alright, so on top of the list you have the SC, the number that starts with the SC, that's the smart card number or the IUC number. Or you can just go back and then come to the CA status over here, and we have the serial number, that's the SC number, which is your smart card, or the IUC number of your Dstv decoder. Alright, so if you find this video new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.